LS, 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 LS. So many LS's, so little time. Tyler killing it. We got FD in the background. This is like a Fast and the Furious episode, you know? So at any moment now the county will show up and shut us down. You sit there and watch it wiggle. It definitely doesn't sound good. Car's not 100% there yet, not tuned. The exhaust is not finished, but Justin had an opening at the alignment rack today, so we figured we'll put it into the garage and get it aligned. Curious to see what specs this thing has. Well, this, guys, is just amazing. This is Justin's keen eye right there, because he knows what straight looks like.
Yes.
Our caster is 6 on the right and just under 6 on the left. You know, it's not perfect. You can't adjust it. But for just eyeing it up and cutting and welding shit, that's pretty fucking amazing. I think that the Miata is actually about that far off left to right when it's all lined up. It should be good. Yeah.
Gotta do this thing with the thing in the buttons.
Look at a Turbski with the throwback filter. With the throwback filter. That's Jeff Abbott's old filter, brah. It came with the Miata Original. Justin's doing some tires, and because we're in the corner, when the bead hits, it's very loud, bounces off there.
What?
It hurts your ears, so gave Justin the old hearing protection, and he continued to wear his hat afterwards. On top of the hearing protection. I'm just going to do this bitch by hand. Good job, Frank. Frank basically did that on his lonesome.
Can't even hear it.
Bringing 2005 back. Don't hate, appreciate. Yes, Justin and Steve and Jarrell. Everyone's loving this, including you people on the tube. Everyone loves it. Don't you?
Matsuri is open till like 10 p.m.
Yes, it's Matsuri. You need to have LEDs for Matsuri. It's coming back. Don't y'all hate? Look, it's LEDs now. It doesn't even cost any money.
What about that color with purple? What
Yeah.
about that color right there?
Yeah, that doesn't make as much sense. I'm kidding. Morning. It is the day of the event. Everybody's here except Frank. I don't know where Frank ran off to. We were up till about 11:40 last night tuning the car, so that's fun. There he is, behind me. So yeah, about 11:40 last night, tuning. Didn't get to bed till about midnight. Everybody's here, getting ready to go. Should be fun. There it is, guys. It's the end of the night. and the car is still running. It's been a while since I've had an event like this where we went hardcore, and everybody's shit has pretty much stayed together. It's been a good fucking day. Jake got a little pass in the car. So initial reaction is you likey?
Yeah, it's awesome. The power is so smooth, it almost feels factory.
Yeah, it's just because it's always got boost.
Yeah.
Underglow killed the game. The Terps geese! Everybody loved it. Doing good. Until next time, folks. Ciao!